Hi guys, I'm Rahul and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Here I am going to discuss the chapter Summary Tea from Assam, which is the part 3 of Glimpses of India, class 10th first flight. Guys, in this chapter, two friends are there, Rajbir and Pranjal. And it is the vacation time, summer vacation time, and they decide, in fact, Rajbir, he decides to go to Pranjal's hometown, Assam, and he wants to watch the view, watch the scenery of tea garden and all these things. So guys, it is the train scene there in the beginning there. They were traveling to Assam from New Delhi, and in the train, when it was almost going to be Assam, and where Pranjal, he was studying his detective book because he was related to the same area and he didn't like to watch the scene and watch the view of all those things. But Rajbir, in fact, Rajbir, he wants to watch the scenery and wants to enjoy by watching the scene and all those views of tea garden and the things. Guys, in this chapter, many facts are there related to the origin of tea and origin of coffee. And in the train, they both buy 2 cups of coffee when they were traveling in the train. And the way Rajbir was just interested, he was interested in the scenic beauty of that tea garden when he was traveling to Assam. Guys, all they were very green paddy in the, you can say, plain area of that locality, and on the hillside there could be was the tea bushes and all those things. Rajbir, who was really very excited on seeing such large plantations of tea, but Pranjal is unable to match the same level because it was his hometown, and many of the years he had spent by watching such type of scenic view. That's why he was not interested in watching. प्रांजल लोकल गाय था, लोकल बॉय था, तो वो वहाँ के स्कैनिक ब्यूटी या टी बूसेज या टी गार्डन में कोई ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था क्योंकि वो वहीं से बिलोंग करता था. लेकिन राजवीर जो कि वहाँ पे फर्स्ट टाइम विजिट करने के लिए, घूमने के लिए गया था, तो ही वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट टू वॉच द स्कैनिक ब्यूटी एंड टू वॉच द टी बूसेज which were planted there on the hill areas. Okay, so Rajbir did a lot of study about how tea was discovered, and that it dates back to 2070 BC according to what he read, and it was the first consumed in China. That he had studied that it was first consumed in China, that and it was just reached Europe in 16th century. 16th century में यूरोप पहुंचा था चाय, and where it was mostly popular and its medicinal properties. There are numerous stories at how it was discovered. Yeah, and first story that is related to चाय कैसे discover हुआ, कैसे उसका वो इन्वेंशन हुआ. तो एक स्टोरी है उससे रिलेटेड कि once the Chinese emperor, he was doing what? He was just boiling the water, and unknowingly some leaves they just fell in that water, and after when the emperor he drank that boiled water mixed with that some leaves, he enjoyed so much, and from there it was believed that those leaves they were related to tea leaves. And another is Bodhidharma was a Buddhist, and during his meditation, it is the another tale regarding tea. So one Bodhidharma who was the Buddhist monk, when he was doing once meditation, yeah. तो एक बार वो मेडिटेशन कर रहा था और what happened that कि in meditation he gets sleepy eyes, and to avoid sleepy eyes he he cut off his eyelids and threw there. And on the place where he threw his eyelids, there came a small plant, and people, they believed that it was the plant of tree. Due to the meditation of that guy and due to the meditation of that monk Bodhidharma, वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, जो प्लांट आया, लोग बिलीव किए कि ये इसको क्या करने से, बॉयल वाटर में पीने से नींद भाग जाती है. तो दिस इज द अनदर स्टोरी रिगार्डिंग ट्री from the Bodhidharma, that who was the Buddhist monk, and he cut his eyelids to stop his sleep, and from there it was originated the tea plant. And all people, they started to believe that no, it is the tea plant, and by drinking this we could stop our sleep. So all these things are there related to that, and finally they reached to the Dekiavari junction, which was in Assam, and father Mr. Barua, who is the father of Pranjal, and the family of Pranjal, they were at the station to receive them, and after that they went to the tea garden where Pranjal father was the manager of that tea garden. And they reached. Rajveer enjoyed so much, by watching the scenic beauty of that tea garden and all those things, tea bushes. So thank you. It was the summary of tea from Assam of class 10th first flight. So if you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it to get the latest videos. If you have any comment regarding this chapter, you can put that in my comment box. Thank you.